In Middleburg. Mweli, a very good afternoon to you. Let's first recap on yesterday's evidence. What transpired in court?
Good afternoon to you, Alicia, and the viewers at home. What I can tell you, yes, yesterday we started by the inspection in loco, where the judge of the court, the lawyers of the accused, and also victim Mlotshwa, who is the victim in this case, visited the place where, or the farm where the incident happened, which they say it happened on the 17th of August last year. From there, they then went back to court, whereby the trial continued. In court yesterday, they started by the testimonies from one of the witnesses, which is Dalton Sithole. Dalton Sithole said himself also was assaulted on the day when victim Mlotshwa was also assaulted. So he was testifying also today because he couldn't finish that testimony yesterday. But then what transpired here in court is that today there was the issue of the dates, because from the side of the defense they are saying that this incident happened on the 7th of September last year, whilst when you look on the side of the victim Mlotshwa, and also the other witness who lives in the very same community where victim Mlotshwa is residing, they say the event happened on the 17th of August. So there is a clash, because the defense is saying that no, it is not true that the incident happened on the 17th of August, but instead it happened on the 7th of September. Now that the court has adjourned for lunchtime, we have seen victim Mlotshwa testifying, reliving his ordeal, saying that recounting what happened on that day. We have been listening from inside court. He said that on that day he was sent by his mother to go buy some groceries in town here in Middleburg from where they are residing. It is then that he decided to take the route, the shortest route, and then that route will lead him to a spot where he was going to hitchhike. He's saying that from the spot where he was hitchhiking, that is when a vehicle approached him, and then a gentleman came out of that vehicle and punched him, and he fell down, and then another gentleman as well came, also kicked him. That is when he was assaulted and then forced into a coffin. We'll hear more once we are back from lunch.
All right. And Mweli, do you know if any other state witnesses to testify today? And also tell us, this was a very, very controversial case. Do tell us, what is the mood like generally in and outside the court today?
Well, inside the court, I can tell you that the courtroom wasn't packed as it was yesterday, but we've seen there's a number of people inside court, and unlike the previous appearances outside court, there isn't much activity happening. But in terms of the witnesses, you'll know that already one witness is done delivering the testimony. It's now on victim Mlotshwa, who will continue until late this afternoon. We've got two other witnesses, which include the investigating officer in this case, but it is not very clear as to who is the other witness, because in total we are told there is 4 witnesses. So I think from here today there's a lot that we can expect, because the court adjourned just as victim Mlotshwa was starting to tell the court about what exactly happened on that day. I think from where he left he will continue, because from where he left it's the issue where he said he was punched with a clenched fist and then kicked several times. So we're still going to get more details as to what exactly happened before he was forced into the coffin.
Thank you so much for those details. Mweli Masilela at the High Court in Middleburg at the Coffin assault probe.